In this video, we're going to review the Milwaukee FUEL Hackzall. Let's jump into this video. So what we're going to do is we're just going to review and show you guys how this thing works. We're going to test this out with an HD 12 amp battery. This thing is a beast. If you guys don't have one, I would highly recommend having one. Of course, not only do we have a Milwaukee hacksaw, but we also got a Milwaukee blade we're going to be using here. And I'm going to show you guys just how smooth this hacksaw is. This is really good for cutting ABS pipe. It's really versatile, easy to move around, super light. You can do both ways. I would not recommend using this to cut like cutting like cast iron or anything where you're going to be holding the trigger down for a long period of time. This part here does smoke, and I don't think this hacksaw is really designed for just sitting there for like 15 minutes, just continually just running. I've done it on mine, and it pretty much destroyed it within 6 months of cutting it. So now we use a grinder and other things to cut the pipe. Let's dive into this. I'll show you guys a little bit about the tool. It's got a little lock position here, so where you can lock it so the trigger doesn't lock. That's about it for the tool. The FUEL brushless design. It's got a quick for the Sawzall blades, which is really easy. It just snaps back into place right there. This one here is brand new. So, and then this you just open it, push the blade into place, let it go. I always just double check to make sure the blade is in place. Just give it a little pull and you know what the blade is good. And let's put this sucker to the test here. Cut a nice piece of wood just right here, just for a lap. We ready? And let's go. The other thing I really like about this Sawzall is that it doesn't vibrate too much in your hands. So I feel like I have a lot of control when I'm cutting stuff. I know there's some Sawzalls that I've used. They're a little bouncy and it's hard to get over the Sawzall. Yeah, so like I said, I really like the control on this thing. It's weighted nicely balanced. I feel like it'd be easy. I know it's easy. I've used this hacksaw for many years now. I'd highly recommend it over the other Sawzall as well. It's just a lot more easier to operate and to handle. So yeah, that's my honest review on the Milwaukee hacksaw. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next video.